We need some uniform presence in the market. We have them and we have our undercover teams, but on a more consistent basis. Because the market is spread out. I know we have a team in here. One of our sergeants here arrested probably 80 people last year for robbery, but it's still a problem. So we're looking at some space here. We'll probably be able to establish a small post in the market. It's really the commercial center of, you know, downtown Kingston.
Wednesday I was home, right? And somebody called me from up country, that are up in St. Andrew. So them hear how things are going bad down here. And if they can come at town, they will ask me. Because me live at town, right? Me born and grew up at St. Andrew, but me live at town now. So me I said nothing now gwaan, no killing now gwaan, no violence now gwaan in the market. So why them a care false news and I said that? So when me come at town yesterday now, me realize that the news kick in. And them a carry the thing like how it no go and the buyer them get scared. From yesterday me there, me no sell $5,000 because there is no buyer.
Really, there's a very good relationship with the police who actually operate in the market. That's very obvious. So it's just really to increase that capacity, use that relationship and build on it and make it more expansive. But what they're saying right now is that things are slow, and they largely see it as, you know, what's being said rather than what's actually happening down here. So, I mean, part of the reason why I'm down here and the visit is really to get this first-hand view, but also to reassure people that, you know, and bring the media to say, okay, this is what's actually happening, and I'd encourage people to come down and buy stuff.